Hi guys, this is Tim Queen and today we're going to talk about notifications. Now you all probably remember the good old days when we had Facebook pages and you could press the like button. It basically meant that you would see updates from that page in your newsfeed. But then everyone was starting using pages, and then Facebook changed direction. They wanted to prioritize like personal messages, so they did the following. They prioritized regular posts from personal profiles, and instead you only gonna get views on your page if someone is already liking your page and following you in addition. So now you had like the two-step subscription. So if you didn't have like both check marks, you wouldn't get views. Now this didn't work out for the long run, so they developed like more settings where you could, for example, open up the menu and say, do you want to see this first? So there was like another setting within the follow tab where you could say, I want to follow them more, normal or not. But then now they have also developed the form of notification, which is basically telling you, do you want to get notifications on your phone? Do you want to get push notification whenever someone is posting something, or do you want to get an email when something new is happening? So that's now the third level of notifications, and you basically have to make sure, if you want to get any organic reach, that you get people to do all three. If you don't get them to press the notification button, it's not going to show up. And the only way how you can get organic reach is by basically paying for it, by boosting your post, which turns it into paid ads. So now we're going to see this trend happening across all the different platforms in 2019. Twitter, in its recent beta, the design change all include a notification bell. We already have this like in part two-step factor. Like on LinkedIn, you can be connected with a person, but you can unfollow them. We now see like this for different content types. For example, on articles on LinkedIn, the new feature is going to be a subscription. So you can be connected to someone, you can follow the person, but in addition, you now have to subscribe to get the articles or get a notification when they're publishing new articles. So you want to see this across all the different platforms in more and more layers. You basically have to decide, do you want to see something like this at all in your newsfeed? And do you want to get a notification? Those are two choices you have to make, and you have to tell your audience that they have to click the notification bell or the notification icon if they want to see your content. So what do you think of this like 3-layer? Maybe we get like a 4th or 5th layer in the future to get like even more complications. What do you think of this like different levels of notification? Do you think it's a great tool to have like more control, or are you really annoyed about dealing with all of this? Let me know below, and please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, of course, if you want to get marketing strategies right here in your email inbox.